For our wide top fold card holder, we are going to use again 210 GSM for the card base, and then a thinner card. In this case I will use 150 GSM, but you can also use 120, and we are going to fold this to give more strength to the holder. On the thicker card we measure the midpoint for the long side of the A4 paper, so that would be 14.8. And here we have the two halves. Each of them can be used as the base. This one is 210. And now we fold one half in two. And this is the base of our card. Obviously, if you hold it like this, is the normal card, but the way we are going to use it, and that's why I call it the wide top fold, it would be like this. Okay. For the holder, we have a 150 piece of card, and we cut 11 by 16, a rectangle of 11 by 16. Here we have the holder. We fold it. And now we glue these two sides. The next step is to create some scoring lines that will allow the holder to sit well in the card. So the long line parallel with the side of the scoring board. We count 1, 2, 3 and score, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and score. So this is our holder. We need to create some slots on the side that will hold the necklace. So from the second scoring line we count and make some marks on the side, 1, 2, 3, 4 centimeters, and then again 1, 2, 3, 4 centimeters. We'll have these slots 2.5 centimeters inside the card. So we have 1, 2.5, 1, 2.5. So we have the 3 centimeter on one side, 3 centimeter on one side, and then we trace a line of 2.5 on one side, 2.5 on the other side, and we do the same with all the other points. And we have a line between 1 and 2, 3 and 4. We draw a line between 1 and 2, 3 and 4 on the other side as well. And now we just cut them. We round the corners as well. We have our base now. And we attach the holder to the card and just make sure it is symmetrical right near the fold. And here we are. And now let's attach our necklace, a wide one. And we find the middle point and this side goes to this point, the opposite point, up. The first slot under, the opposite one up. And now we close the clasp. And here we have our necklace that has very nicely displayed the middle part, which usually is with a pendant or the focal point, with a clasp as well if you want. If you don't want, we can have the clasp on the other side. If you don't want to show your clasp, you start from the bottom, go up, and make sure that the clasp doesn't go further than that, and then go, and the clasp will come here under. And this is the same necklace without showing the clasp. I hope you like it. Please come back for some more ideas. Thank you.